Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the government is insisting that it has no plans to stop supporting the Peace Management Initiative. Speaking at Jamaica House on Wednesday, Prime Minister Holness indicated that his plan is simply to repurpose the PMI to make it more effective. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has that story.
It started in December. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang declared the government's intention to cut back future funding for the Peace Management Initiative PMI, signaling that the program is not working. Since then, there has been a national outcry. Persons chided the government for its intention. Stakeholders declare that the PMI has been effective over the years in preventing conflicts in several crime-plagued communities from escalating. But fast forward to January 2020, Prime Minister Holness is seeking to silence the critics.
The impression is being given that somehow the government no longer supports the PMI. It's not quite the case. That's not quite the case. But like every project, there comes a time when they have to be reviewed. I think the PMI is one of those projects.
According to Mr. Holness, the game has changed since the PMI was established, so the government has to find new ways to attack the crime problem in the country.
In managing crime and conversely managing peace, you have to place all the tools in the toolbox on the table. All of them have to be brought together. So the PMI is a tool, and we have to sharpen it. And sometimes repurpose it.
In the meantime, the Prime Minister told the church leaders that at a time when there are concerns about global threats to security, more focus should be geared towards keeping communities peaceful across the island. He explained that he has recognized that religious leaders are an important part of the peace-building initiative.
I have seen people who I know to be in conflict, who I know to be antagonists. After suddenly, and you wonder what has happened in their lives, and they have changed. They have gotten, some of them, a personal experience with it, a spiritual force, and they have changed.
Mr. Holness was addressing church leaders before the annual Heal the Family, Heal the Nation service on Wednesday. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.